We're using technology that allows us to communicate electronically with all the units that are on the scene, and even the units before they get on scene can see where everybody else is.
The wealth of information that's in it that presents itself rapidly and quickly ensures safety. It puts everything in one spot. It allows us to have our pre-fire plans, our maps, our general information, our protocols, everything are all in one spot. By doing that, we train one time for finding it. You don't have to find the different books. We treat everybody where it's at and how they can locate it. In addition to it allows us to let apparatus know before they come in what we want to assign them as, where they're going to sit, what the location is going to be, how many people are coming with them, so it allows the incident commander to really have a good understanding of what's coming at them to help.
With a volunteer agency, you've got a much greater level of variation there, that depending on time of day and where people are at, whether they're at home or at work, where they're responding from changes all the time, and whether they're able to respond or not changes all the time. So for everybody to know who else is responding helps them make decisions about going to stations, going to the scene. So everybody's seeing a common operating picture. And I think this is one of the biggest safety advantages, is that everybody knows what everybody else sees.
Well, a large grass fire, you can't see all the sides of the fire, but where if you got your apparatus, if they're attached to the cellular system, it shows us as they move where they've moved to and exactly what they're doing. We know how many manpower are on that vehicle, what location they're at. If they were to declare a mayday of some type, fire overrun run, I'd know exactly where they were, whether I could see them or not. I'd know where they were. I'd know the easiest access roads and spots into them. So for grass fires, that's a huge advantage of knowing where your vehicles are at.
When we go into mutual aid to other agencies, or, when we go into their agencies, we're not as familiar with the area. So having the map books is probably more important there than it is within our own district, because obviously I can mutual aid anywhere in this county, which is the size of the state of Connecticut, and I don't know the whole county as well as I know my own agency. So where I may not need to use the maps to get to a lot of the calls in my own district, I very much need the maps when I get outside that area.
One of the great things that we like about the EnRoutePro is it's expandable as you want it to be. We put in every one of the vehicles that we have, short of support staff here or there, but other than that, all of our vehicles. And as we purchase more vehicles, we are able to add them to the list of users for the EnRoutePro program, and it works very well for that. It's nice to know that the other vehicles coming in, the other units from mutual aid, are using the same program and have the same capabilities of keeping up that we do.
This is a system that works quite well on a smartphone, and people can fit their place in the system using a smartphone, so showing that they're responding and seeing where other people are responding. They can learn all that, communicate that information via smartphone.
EnRoutePro 2 has made our job easier by giving us information faster, quicker, and more efficiently than we had it before.
When you want the best technology at an affordable price for your agency, call us. We'll set up your agency with the best integrated technology tool on the market today. EnRoutePro, we're waiting to hear from you. 800-577-3760.